Hello everyone. In this video we'll be looking into the automation estimation tool. We'll not be looking into the working of the tool, but we will just see what the tool contains and what are the different parameters that are present in the tool. We have a separate video to see how this particular tool gets the estimation for an automation project, and also how to maintain the ROI. So we have separate videos for that, and in this video we'll just concentrate on what the tool contains and what are the different add-ins present. So this is the sheet number 1. This is called the estimation sheet, and in this sheet the first thing is the total number of test cases at any point. What is the number of test cases for which we are going to find the estimation will be present over here. Once we give the input, then the number of test cases will get reflected in this particular cell automatically. Okay. And this is the start estimation button, which is used to start the estimation, and these two big boxes, the green one and the brown one, which shows the number of tasks involved, the framework section and the scripting section, and the estimation that this tool comes or arrives at. It considers all these tasks and then gives the estimation. And the below you can find the estimation table. This is the table where once you give the number of test cases input to this particular tool, it will tell you the number of hours that required to automate those test cases that is given as input, and those details will get reflected over here. The first one, this is the framework section, the number of hours required to create the framework section, and second one is the number of hours required to complete the scripting section tasks, and the total time estimated will get reflected over here. And this is the row and this is the cell where the total time estimated, the number of hours will get reflected. And this is sheet 1. And once you click on start estimation, you go to sheet 2. This is a test case input sheet, and let's see what and all are present in this sheet. The first one is framework section. There are two radio buttons. One is for use existing framework, the other one is for create new framework. So whichever is it you want to select, you can select it, and this reset button will make both the values null. And the scripting section, there are different parameters: total number of very simple test cases, total number of simple test cases, total number of medium test cases, total number of complex test cases, total number of very complex test cases. So values for these parameters needs to be inputted over here. The reset button again makes these values into null. And there is two buttons over here which says whether you want to create a new suit. You have to click on new, and if you're going to number of test cases that you're going to find the estimation. If it is an update to the existing suit, then you have to click on update. Okay. And there are below there are 3 more buttons. One is to move to the estimation page after you've given all the details, and to find the number of estimated hours, you have to click on this particular button, the first button, which says move to estimation page to view the estimated hours. You have to click on that, and it will take you to the first sheet where you can find the details, number of hours present over here. So we have to click on start estimation. Let's see a very small demo on this. Let's say I give inputs, how to give the inputs, classification of test cases. There is a separate video which gives you more details on that. And right now I just given some dummy values, clicking on new, and then I am clicking on move to estimation page, this particular button. It takes me to the first sheet, and I've entered the number of test cases, total number of test cases which I entered were 5, which gets reflected over here. And the details, the number of hours that's taken to automate those particular 5 test cases, those details are present over here. The final value, total time estimated, is present in this particular cell. So these are the different criterias and parameters. And the third sheet is the ROI sheet. This is the ROI table, and this is the ROI chart. The left side contains the table, the right side contains the chart. As and when you enter the values, the chart will get created and will change accordingly. and update ROI table. If you click on that button which is present on top, this particular window opens up. It has two buttons. One is reset ROI table, which will reset the ROI table itself, and reset the form, which just resets the values present in this form. And as in when you enter the values, you have to click on update button, and you have to press the update button only once. And once you click on done, then the values will get reflected in the table. And there's a separate video, as I told earlier, explaining how to maintain the ROI in this particular tool. And the fourth one is the test case details sheet. And once you enter the values to find the estimated hours, the values will get reflected over here. Right now we entered 111 in the test case input form. When we calculated the estimation, we entered the number of test cases as 1 in each and every column. So now it's getting automatically reflected in this particular page. And once you give start adding up test cases, then if you have to click on the update button, it will just keep on updating over here, and this acts as a database or acts as a backup in calculating the total number of test cases and adding up as a backup. And anytime if you want, you can come and reference it, and it will tell you the total number of test cases that has been present in that particular automation suite. So more details you will find it in the other video. And this is help section. Help section contains the videos, all the videos which explains the working of the tool will be present over here. And also it will contain a PPT which tells you how to classify the test cases. And also there is a button, contact us. Okay, this gives you the details. If you have any queries in how the tool works, then for queries you can contact us in the below IDs. So these are the different these are the different sheets that are present in this tool, and the different parameters that are involved in this particular tool have been explained in this video. Thank you very much.